Water for the steam cycle is initially supplied to the low-pressure steam drum through the low-pressure economizer from the condensate pumps. The LP economizer discharges into the LP drum. The flow to the LP drum is regulated by the condensate regulator control valve located before the LP economizer inlet. The condensate regulator receives a control signal based on LP drum level. The condensate flows through the LP economizer to finally discharge into the LP drum. During startup of the unit, condensate can be recycled through the economizer by means of a condensate recirculation pump. Condensate recirculation is performed when gas side and water side temperatures are low enough to allow accumulation of moisture or sweating on the gas side surface of the LP economizer tubing. Such sweating can lead to corrosion and fouling of the tube fins, resulting in a loss of heat transfer efficiency. The condensate feed into the LP drum is evenly distributed in the drum by the distribution header. Each of the different pressure drums, LP, IP, and HP, have similar headers for distributing water flow to the drum. The LP drum contains a condensate distribution header, primary separator, and secondary separator. Primary separators aid in releasing the steam bubbles from the water in the LP evaporator. The secondary separator serves as a dryer for the saturated steam as it leaves the drum. The LP evaporator produces the steam-water mixture that rises to the LP drum. The steam-water mixture coming from the evaporator enters the drum in the primary steam separator, where water and steam are separated. Before leaving the drum, the steam passes through the secondary separator, a wire mesh-type steam dryer, and leaves the drum through the saturated steam line. Safety valves protect the HRSG steam systems against excessive pressure by relieving steam when exceeding the set pressure. Safety valves are installed on steam drums, superheaters, and reheaters. The electronic relief valves, or ERVs, protect the HRSG steam systems against excessive pressure by relieving steam when exceeding the set pressure. ERVs are installed on superheaters only. Their set pressure is slightly below the set pressure of the corresponding safety relief valve. The steam silencers reduce the noise of the expanding steam from the safety relief and electronic relief valves.